What's up, my dudes? Welcome back to the Ultimate Diecast Collecting Channel. Today we have a whole bunch of Matchbox moving parts to crack open. I found all of these on the peg, and I have one old school Matchbox world-class vehicle to crack open at the very end. So let's get started with this one right here. We got us a 1978 Subaru Brat, which is awesome. I've been wanting this one for a while. Could not believe I found this one on the peg. And as a fun bit of trivia, Brat is the nickname that me and my girlfriend call each other. Alright, here we go. And here is the old school Subaru. How cool is that? Really like this casting. Oh, cool. You got the seats in the back. I used to see this a lot back when I was a kid. A lot of people put seats in the back of their truck, or I guess their Brat. Very cool. Old school, old school. Very plasticky base. More gray than silver. No taillights, but we do have headlights. And then, of course, the hood opens. And we can see those engine details on that old school Subi. I think it's an engine. Looks more like a spare tire. Anyway, it's really cool. And I'm super amped to have this in the collection. All right, let's see, next one up. We're not going in any particular order. We're gonna do this 2019 Mustang. I was gonna say, I assume it's a GT, although it doesn't say GT right there. I don't know why they always have Mustang castings as convertibles. Like 9 out of 10 are convertibles. Like, just give us what we want. Convertibles are like not what most car enthusiasts go after. But in any case, here it is. Lovely, lovely wheels. Side view mirrors, just like the Brat has. I forgot to mention, it does have side view mirrors. And there is the Mustang GT. We got headlights, which look really nice. Mustang logo looks good. Yeah, it looks really authentic all around. There you go, there's the interior. Got a big Coke can for a shifter. And of course, like you guys already saw, it has opening doors, which is awesome. Whoa, what's that steering wheel? Come on, Matchbox, get with the program. All right, so that one's kind of it's okay, but not great. All right, next one up, we got us a Range Rover. I think I already have one of these. I even have one that has blue parts, I'm pretty sure, but didn't have this color, and I was in a buying mood today. Here it is. These are a little weird to open, but we set it free. Alright, there it is. It's the same wheels as the Mustang, but they're all black. I have never seen these wheels all black. That looks awesome. I think those are the same wheels. Yeah, I believe they are. Love this metallic gunmetal. Again, side view mirrors, because the Matchbox knows what's up. Wow, super realistic grille and headlights. But no painted taillights. Why? That's so weird. Huh. And of course, that back piece opens up. Lovely, lovely. Very cool. Awesome. Alright, there's that one. Yeah, so today was weird. The morning started off pretty strange. There we go. And also we got this Mitsubishi Lancer Celeste. I've never heard of this car, but I had to pick it up. Oh, yeah, but like I was saying, this morning started off weird. Before I even went to my office, my maintenance tech, he calls me and says, "Hey man, the alarm's going off. I think the alarm panel is broken." I'm like, "Okay, great, I'll be right there." And by the time I got there, the cops were there hauling him off in handcuffs. And I had to explain to them, like, no, he's my maintenance man. He works here. It was a huge misunderstanding. Obviously, they let him go, but it was a crazy, crazy thing. All right, so here is the weird Mitsubishi Celeste. So weird. I've never even seen this car before. Have you guys? Really cool details on the back. Taillights look really good. Yeah, headlights too. We got got those mirrors up there. So far, everything. Wow. That's cool. Not only do we have engine details, we also have like painted details in there. That's really, really cool. And of course, every car so far has had rearview mirrors and a nice chromy plastic base. 75 Mitsubishi Lancer Celeste. Yep, it's right-hand drive. This thing's cool. What an interesting casting. Got some little louvers back there. Yeah, that one is pretty neat. That one's really, really cool. Kind of an oddball. I like it. And the last one, as far as the moving parts go, is this awesome 2021 Bronco. Really nice casting with the two-door, which in my opinion is the one you want. I mean, I'm pretty sure everyone would agree, except for the soccer moms. All right, and there we go. Yeah, that is awesome. Metallic orange, and again, side view mirrors. Kind of weird and chunky though. Yeah, those are some weird looking side view mirrors. A little strange. The grille and the headlights look good. Wheels, of course, look great. I love those wheels. Hey, you got some taillights, Ford emblem, and the Bronco logo. And of course, the opening doors, which reveals that black interior. Very nice. And the opening parts are actually metal, so they don't stick out like a sore thumb. Very nice. Love that. And you know, I just happen to have this Porsche here with opening parts, so let's put that with the roof just for fun. Alright, so we got a whole bunch of Matchbox with opening parts, and then for the grand finale, no opening parts, but man, check this out. Beautiful world-class Matchbox Lamborghini Countach, number 23. And it was sold originally at a place called Hearts. What a cool car. Very nice. There's the rest of them you could have got. I want that F40 really, really badly. And that Porsche as well. Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't mind I wouldn't mind having any of those. And just for fun, I also busted out this one. Got the yellow one. But let's go ahead and get to cracking. In case you're wondering, I got this for $15 on eBay. And there it is up close. Wonderful, wonderful casting. Whoa, I did not notice that. There is a bull on the hood that is not on the yellow one. I'm not a big fan of that. It's not realistic at all. Bravo, that's weird. In the Southwest, there's a whole bunch of car dealerships called Bravo, and I see their commercials all the time. Weird. Got big metal beam, very accurate. Of course, it's got rubber tires. The rims are a separate piece. And actually, these have different rims now that I'm looking at them. Very nice. What does this one say back anyway? That one just has that. CS 6512. Awesome cars. Love they add little black accents. No interior. We got the chrome tint. So cool. Yes, metal on metal. Amazing, absolutely amazing. So stoked to have those. All right, you guys, that was the video. Thank you very much for kicking it with me on this Tuesday afternoon. If you're new to my channel, my name is J-Dog. I post diecast videos once or twice a week, more or less. And if collecting little cars is your thing, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like the video. And I'll catch you dudes next time.